So today I'm going to be building a very easy do-it-yourself brooder. Let's get started. I'm going to make it 8 feet long, 2 feet high, and 27 inches deep. And I'll probably sit it on like 20-inch legs. Whoa, baby. It's upside down right now, but those are the legs. And then I'm gonna put 2x4s right there to there, like little braces, hold all the legs together, nothing falls, and then we'll flip it over. Okay, so now I'm doing the top. I'm choosing to do 2 small ones other than 1 big one, so it's easier to get in there and clean it and everything, so without the chicks flying around and everything. But I'm doing 2 4-foot doors, 23.5 wide. So you frame out the bottom one and then put chicken wire and then put the top on, make it nice and tight. And then I'm gonna put a handle, 2 hinges. The hinges will go there, the handle here, open it. There'll be a seam here, so you get 2 doors. And if you want to just do 1 door, you do 2 8-foot pieces, two 23.5s, put your chicken wire, and then two more 8-foots and 23.5 on top, and then put your handles and hinges. You can have one door or two doors. I'm deciding to do two because it's easier to get in there and clean it. Once the chicks start getting big, you can push them all to one side, keep that door shut, open this one, you can clean it all. And then other than having one big door, and then once they get a little bit bigger, they fly around and fly out. But I'll get going on that and show you when it's done. All right, it's all done. Got the two doors up here. Easy access inside. Nice and easy to clean. Like I said before, if you have a bunch of chicks in here, you can use one door, and put a piece of wood or block them off to this side. And then you can clean this side. When you're done, you can open that, let them go on that side. You can clean this side without worrying about them flying out. So that's what it looks like when it's done.